Hello, we are going to see lesson 7. 今天几号？今天几号？今天 means today. 今 means this. What's going on in the present? 今天 so this day equals plus 10 equals 今天 today. 几 how many, how much, a lot of. How number. And what's asking the date? Because on the calendar there's always several numbers of months. So it's from there. Warm up. 书 book 一中国菜中国 China Chinese 菜 meal dishes so Chinese dishes. D 学校 A school. 25号How do you say 25? You say 2 times 10 and then 5. So 2 times 10. So 10 is 10. 5. So 25. How? Number. So number 25. And in this situation, it means it's 25th of which month? 月 it means moon because the moon takes a month to circulate the earth. So 1 month, moon, 月。看书看 is to look. 书 book. When you look at the book, what do? You are studying. So it's studying or reading. Text. 请问今天几号？请问今天几号？请 please 问 ask 请 plus 问 means please let me ask. So excuse me. 今天 means today. 几 how many, how much, a lot of, how number. So what date is today? 今天9月1号。今天9月1号。今天 today 9 9月 month. So ninth month is which month in your year? It's September. 1号 the first September. 今天星期几？今天星期几？ So 今天 today 星期 week 星 means stars, 期 period, and 星 plus 期 equals week. I don't know why. 几 how many, how much? So it means what day is today? 星期三星期三 Wednesday is the third day of a week. So Wednesday. If you started to count like Monday is 1, so and so on. Look at the calendar. 昨天是几月几号？昨天是几月几号？昨天 yesterday. 是 to the verb to be, because you see yesterday and 是 here must it means we're talking about something in the past. There is no conjugation in Chinese. You always use adverb to indicate what's going on in which timing. 几月 how many, how much, a lot of, 月 month. So which month? 几号 which number? So it's asking about which month is it and what was the date and yesterday. So what was the date yesterday? 昨天是8月31号，星期二。昨天是 8月31号，星期二。昨天 yesterday 是 was because yesterday at the verb at the beginning, so it's the past. 8月 so 8th month of a year. Which month is it? August. 31号. How do you say 31? You 3 times 10 and then 1. So 3 3 10 10. So 3 times 10 plus 1 and you got 31. 31号. You always put how, like the th when you are answering the date in English. 星期二，星期二。So second day of a week, 星期 week, Tuesday. 明天呢？明天呢？明天 means tomorrow, 呢 indicating questions. So how about tomorrow? 明天是9月2号，星期四。明天是9月2号，星期四。明天 tomorrow 是 the verb to be. Tomorrow would be 9月 So ninth month in a year, September 2号 number 2, so the second. 星期四 fourth day in a week, Thursday. In a coffee house. 明天星期六，你去学校吗？明天星期六，你去学校吗？明天 tomorrow 星期 week 6 6 so sixth day of a week is Saturday. 你去学校吗？你 you 去 to go. 学校 school. Ma asking about questions, so the entire sentence would be tomorrow is Saturday. Are you going to school? 我去学校。我去学校。Yes, I do. 我 I 去 to go. 学校 go to where? Go to the school. Or you can answer 我去 it's enough. We understand you're going to school because in the question we mentioned already. 你去学校做什么？你去学校做什么？ So 你 you 去 to go 学校 school 做 to do to make 什么 what So what will you do if you go to school? Or literally you go to school to do what? 我去学校看书。我去学校看书。我 I to go. To go to where? 学校 school. I go to school for 看书看 look at 书 book. So when you look at the book you are reading or you are studying. So I go to school for reading or for studying. So we are going to learn expression of date. Okay. We generally start with which month is it? 月 month. And then 日 means original meaning means sun because when you see sun once it means one day. And then you can say 日 over 号 just in the text 号 the number. And then 星期 week. So let's see examples. 9月1号星期三。9月1号星期三。991, right? We 3 3. So ninth month, number 1, third day of a week. September 1st, Wednesday. 9月2号星期四。9月2号星期四。Ninth month and second day of a month and fourth day of a week. It's the 2nd September Thursday. Then 8月31号星期二。8月31号星期二。So 8th month of a year, August. 31st of a month, so it's 31st. And Earth, the second day of a week, Tuesday, so it's the 31 August, Tuesday. And if you don't feel comfortable with the numbers, please go back to watch lesson 5. Okay, sentences with the nominal predicate. First, 我的汉语老师predicate 33岁。Again, 我的汉语老师33岁。我的 my 汉语 Chinese 老师 teacher 33岁 33 years old。明天星期三。明天星期三。明天 tomorrow 星期三 predicate Wednesday, third day of a week。今天9月1号。今天 subject 9月1号 predicate。今天 today 9月 ninth month of a year September。1号 number 1 first, so it's the 1st September. Okay, number 3 next. Okay, so 去 plus place plus to do what? Okay, so 我去中国学习汉语。我去中国学习汉语。我 I 去 to go。中国 China 学习汉语。学习 to learn 汉语 Chinese language. So I go to China to learn Chinese. Next, 我们去中国饭馆吃中国菜。我们去中国饭馆吃中国菜。我们我 I'm plural, so we 去 to go, so we go to where? 中国饭馆。中国 China Chinese 饭馆 restaurant. The last stuff is optional, but well, if you can pronounce or not, whatever you like. 吃中国菜, so we are going to Chinese restaurant to do what? To eat. 吃 to eat. 中国菜 Chinese dishes. 中国 China Chinese 菜 vegetables or dishes or meals. 我去学校看书。我去学校看书。我 I 去 to go 学校 school 看书看 to look at what 书 book, so look at the book while you are doing reading or studying. Exercises. So you see, months in a year actually is exactly the number from 1 to 12. So yeah, you just count. 一月 January. 2月 February. 3月 March. 4月 April. 5月 May. 6月 June. 7月 July. August. 8月 9月 September. 10月 October. 11月 you put 1 after 10, which means 11. 11月 November. 12月 10 plus 2. 12月 December. another one here. From Monday to Sunday, it starts from Monday. So Monday is number one. So you put number one and all the way to six. And Sunday we will see after counting. 星期一 Monday, 星期二 Tuesday, 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday. So Sunday is the day you go to the church. So it's the day of the week. 星期日 the day. Remember, originally it means the sun because you see sun once per day. So it also means the day. 星期日 the day where you go to the church. Or 星期天 天 means sky. When the sky is bright once a day, right? So it represents a day as well. Or how many days if we count. Anyway, it means a day. Okay. Answer the questions according to the actual situations. First of all, 今天几月几号星期几今天 today 几月 which month 几号 which date 星期几 which day 今天几月几号星期几 Number two, 明天几月几号星期几明天几月几号星期几 The difference is only the adverb we put at the beginning. Here, 明天 tomorrow. So we are asking about what day is it tomorrow and the date and the month. 3. 昨天几月几号星期几昨天几月几号星期几 Again, the adverb changed. So here, 昨天 yesterday. Again, 几月 which month, 几号 which date, 星期几 what day. So what day was yesterday and what was the date and month? Yesterday. 4. 明天你去哪儿做什么明天 tomorrow 你去 you go 哪儿 where or 哪里 where 哪 itself 哪 where 做 to do 什么 what. So what will you do tomorrow and where would you go? So where would you go to and doing what tomorrow? Lastly, 星期日你去哪儿做什么星期日你去哪儿做什么星期日 Sunday 你去 you go 哪儿 where 做什么 to do what. So where do you go and what do you do on Sundays? It depends on the context. It's not asking about the habits always. It would be maybe the Sunday which is coming or we just passed. It depends. Okay, number 4. Describe the pictures using the newly learned language points and words. 今天是 blah 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 月 blah 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 号星期 blah 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 今天是 today is 月 month 号 number date 星期 week. So you just put the correct numbers in the blank parts. 今天 blah 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 月 blah 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 号 OK. 22号是22 22. If you don't feel comfortable with the numbers, go back to lesson 5. 22号是 here is asking about, so the 22nd is which day? So on the calendar it's Wednesday. You put 星期三，星期三 the third day of the week. And next, 23号是23号是 the 23rd would be on this picture is Thursday. You put fourth day of the week, Thursday. 星期四，星期四。So 明天我去 somewhere 看 what? 明天我去 somewhere 看 what? 明天 tomorrow 我去 I go to where? 学校 school. To do what? 看 what they're looking at books. 书 books 书. So tomorrow I will go to school for reading or studying. 拼音 So tones 时间时间银行银行词典词典蓝色蓝色 So listen to the recording and read after it. 国家国家 country 楼房楼房 buildings 苹果苹果 apples 环境环境 environment 昨天昨天 yesterday 篮球篮球 basketball 啤酒啤酒 beer 寒假寒假 winter vacation 明天明天 tomorrow 明年明年next year 牛奶牛奶 milk 牛肉牛肉 beef 年轻年轻 young 长城长城 the Great Wall 游泳游泳 swimming 游戏游戏 game single component characters. So number 4 四四 and the writing orders are like this. If you are interested to learn how to write, you just follow this chunk first. You do this straight line and then so on. You just mimic it until from left to right. 五五 5 书书 book. Number 2 structure of Chinese characters 2. So here I have to zoom in. You see this small line here? It's combined by 2 parts. And then here underneath it's divided by 3 parts. Oh. Okay, here we are learning some radicals when this 3 stuff is related to water. Example, 汉汉美美 and when you see this usually it's related to speaking or language. So we can zoom in to see this part. Here, 语语谁谁 So here the red part is the radical we just saw. Okay, pair work. 今天是几月几号？今天是几月几号 Literally, today is which month, which date? 今天星期几？今天星期几 Literally, today, which day of the week? So what day is today? 明天是几月几号？ 明天是几月几号？明天 tomorrow 是 the verb to be 几月 which month 几号 which date？明天星期几？明天星期几 tomorrow what day is it tomorrow？星期 week 几 which？明天你做什么？明天你做什么？ So 明天 tomorrow you 你做 to do 什么 what so what would you do tomorrow 明天我去明天我去明天 tomorrow 我去 I go to somewhere to do what as previous examples we did group work okay here is a supplementary word 生日生日生 birth 日 day so birthday so you're going to find some people write number 1 2 3 4 5 the his or her name and then his or her birthday like here 8月31号8月31号8月 eighth month of a year August 31号 3 times 10 30 right and it's 31st so you put one after the 10 units 31 31